While I request all our supermodels to kindly please introduce yourself to our
नमस्कार बेंगलोर विद्या वितर्क विज्ञानम स्मृति तत्परता क्रिया यश्यते षड्गुणस्य साध्यम नाति वर्तते means nothing is impossible in a life. Let's first of all I introduce myself. I am Dr. M.B. Pillevan, contestant number 1, coming from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I believe, I like and love Ayurveda because Ayurveda is a science of life. Thank you.
Hi, good evening to all. Myself Vamsi Krishna. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur, and basically I am from in the profession of digital marketing, and my passion is into the modeling industry, and I just want to my dreams turn up into the dreams. And my hobbies was playing cricket and traveling. And one more thing, I was cricket player from my district. So thank you.
Good evening all. How are you all? So my name is Nick Shere. I am 27 and I am from a beautiful city, Indore. Basically, I am a dancer, choreographer, an actor and a little mimicry artist. So right now I am here to take a step forward to complete and live my dreams. And Elixir has given me an opportunity to showcase my talent. So thank you so much Elixir. And लास्ट में बोलना चाहूँगा, राही को मिल ही जाती है मंजिल, बस दिल में एक जुनून सा जगाना पड़ता है. जब हमने चिड़िया से पूछा कि घोंसला कैसे बनता है, वो बोली कि यार तिनका तिनका उठाना पड़ता है. थैंक यू सो मच.
Time and patience are the two most important warriors. So always utilize your time as I did and came all the way from Poland just to be a participant of this incredible show. Good evening everyone. Myself Krishna Sharma. Professionally I am an IT engineer based out in Poland and working with Cisco Systems. Exploring new cultures and visiting new countries is my hobby. So every year I travel few countries, and so far I have traveled approximately 15 countries and the count is going on. My other hobbies are singing and gardening. I am a YouTuber and shooting adventures video as well as travel vlogs are my area of interest. Thank you so much. Enjoy your evening.
सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार. मुझे खुशी हो रही है मेरा परिचय देते हुए, थोड़ा सा मुस्कुराते हुए, और अपने सपनों को पूरा करने वाला मैं वर्धन आपका इंट्रोडक्शन देता हूँ. मैं बेसिकली पूना से हूँ पर रहता शिरडी में भी हूँ. एक्चुअली मेरी एज 23 ईयर्स ओल्ड है, बट कमर मेरी पतली है. सो अपने सपने को पूरा करने के लिए मैं अभी फ़िलहाल एविएशन में हूँ, उस एज वेल आज मैंने मेरा ग्रेजुएशन भी कंप्लीट किया हुआ है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hello everyone, my name is Hemendra Sharma. I am 24 years old. I am from Goa. I love dancing, playing sports, exploring new places. I am an international karate player, a state level taekwondo and judo player. I have completed my post graduation and looking forward to make a career in the modeling industry. Modeling has always been my dream from childhood days. With this, I quote, "The most important lesson in life is love what you do. If you love what you do and which is making you happy, hard work and perseverance will pay off." Thank you.
Hi, good evening everybody. Myself Shiva Prasad, basically from Hubli. My hobbies are traveling and making new friends. My aim is to become a model. One small word for everyone. Life is a one-time opportunity. Use it very well. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Sawant from Goa. I am a graduate in philosophy and a certified fitness trainer from IFSI, Panjim. I was a national level player in hockey and cricket and a gold medalist in 100 meters, 400 meters and broke a national record in 1500 meters. I love my parents. My father is an ex-superintendent of police and my mother is a housewife. I was a senior supervisor in Orient Hotel and an operation associate in Inox Leisure Limited. I will strive to become a strong contestant for others and forget the past and see the future. Thank you.
हाय नमस्ते ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ सबको मेरा सलाम। मैं सिर्फ मेरे बारे में ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैं सिर्फ मेरे बारे में इतना कहना चाहता हूँ कि मिजाज जिसके दुनिया से हटके होते हैं ना, महफिल में चर्चे उसी के गजब होते हैं। My name is Nawaz Ahmad. I am an engineering graduate specialized in civil engineering. I have came here to complete my passion. I define myself in 3 words: determination, dedication and devotion. And I thanks Elixir team to give me this opportunity.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಓ ಮಾರಾಯರೆ, ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಲ್ಲವೋ, ವಿಶಾಲ ಹೃದಯದವರು, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲವೋ? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and respected judges and juries. I am Sanjay from Hassan, Karnataka. I am 26 years old. I completed MBA. Professionally, I am working as an assistant manager HR in Himatsinka. Yes, I am very much passionate about modeling. A good model wants good looking attitude, communication skill, and I make myself as well as confident to be as a best model. Yes, many people ask me, why you want to go modeling? You want to enjoy your life? You want to make money? I told them only one thing. Modeling is just not a hobby. It's my life. Thank you.
Yes.
for the first amazing sequence. I'm sure everybody has just loved the sequence. I can see the happy faces, capturing smiles and lot more. Did you all enjoy? Well, I can already see that and feel that as well, the high energy. Well, this amazing first sequence, the traditional wear. You want to know who the designer is? I see the beautiful ladies are saying yes. Well, also the men having a little smile on their face. Well, ladies and definitely, I must say your collection is just so beautiful that anybody would want to grab them for themselves. Thank you so much, and thank you so much to all the beautiful ladies. Time for your introduction now, and Mamta, thank you so much. Indeed, a big pleasure to have you right here, and thanks for these amazing designs. Thank you so much. So who's going to start first? Okay, let's start from the lady. Yes, all set, excited?
बदल जाओ वक्त के साथ या वक्त बदल दो, मजबूरों को मत कोसो, हर हाल में बदल जाओ। मेरा खम्मा खड़ी राम राम, मेरा नाम है पूजा सैनी, मेरी आयु है 35 साल, मैं एक गृहिणी हूँ, मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं। जब खाना हो दाल बाटी चूरमा तो पधारो हमारे देश जयपुर। थैंक यू।
I'm big and beautiful, fat and fabulous, curvy and cute, but most importantly, I'm confident. Hello everyone, I'm Smita Raju and I'm from Bangalore. I'm contestant number 7 and I'm an MBA graduate from Sikkim Manipal University. I started my career as a cabin crew for Jet Airways and worked with them for few years. Currently, I'm working as a counselor and also enjoy doing social works. I'm always appreciated for my presence of mind and the beautiful smile. I believe your size doesn't define your beauty, and that's why I'm here to set an example for women like me. Thank you.
A product manager by profession, a fashion enthusiast by passion, an animal lover by compassion. I am standing in front of you is 30 years old Mrs. Pooja Mishra. From being topper in the school to the outstanding employee, I always give my best. Trekking to the Himalayas, that's where I rest. I define myself as a person who is born to touch heights. Be it social work or walking down the ramp, I am ready to take all the fights. Thank you.
ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆರೆತು ರಾಗ ತಾಳಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳೆತು ಮನದ ಭಾವ ಹೊರಸೂಸಿ ನಿನ್ನೆದೆಯ ವೀಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಮಿಡಿವೆ ಶ್ರುತಿಯಾಗಿ. Good evening ladies and gentlemen, good evening judges. Myself Shruti Bhatt from Bangalore. I am at 37 years. By profession, I am a senior accountant and classical dancer by passion. I am interested in modeling, so I am here to win your heart with my art. Hope you all enjoy this fabulous evening. Thank you.
गुड इवनिंग मैम, गुड इवनिंग सर, आप सभी को मेरा नमस्ते। मेरा नाम आशा पाठक है, मैं ग्वालियर से हूँ। मैं 30 साल की हूँ और मैं एक हाउसवाइफ हूँ। मेरे 3 बच्चे हैं और मैं एक हाउसवाइफ हूँ। मुझे अपने आप पर गर्व है कि मैं एक हाउसवाइफ हूँ। मैं जो एक हाउसवाइफ है जो 24 घंटे 365 दिन बिना सैलरी के मेहनत करती है। कहते हैं हम किसी से खुशियाँ मांगे, ये हमें मंजूर गवारा नहीं। मांगी हुई खुशियों से किसका भला होता है, जो किस्मत में लिखा होता है वो जरूर अदा होता है। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Dignity is my weapon, silence is my roar, smile is my barrage for the icebergs inside. I am not scared of fire anymore, as I am a thunder myself at the core. Namaskara Bengaluru. This is Aryamba Shantigrama Narsimurthy, contestant number 4 from Oxford of East, Pune. A writer by profession, a model by passion, a wife, a mother with complete devotion. I have transformed myself into an athlete by playing tennis, badminton, and have run several marathons. My journey from a merit prize holder when I was young till several awards in corporate world is nothing less than a swing. Dipping down only to rise up higher each time. Thank you Elixir World House Production for giving me an opportunity to put forth my personality and my thoughts on this big stage. Thank you all and enjoy this evening.
ऊंचे गगन में उड़ने का सपना, हथेली से बादल को छूने के अरमा, मुझे मिटाना है उन फासलों को, मुझे पंख दे दो, मुझे पंख दे दो। Good evening everyone. I am Mrs. Aarti Pandey and now contestant number 6, 35 years old from Bidar. Being an educator, I believe education play an important role in everyone's life. I love being on stage, passionate about ramp walk, and a strong 4G woman who is trying to make the world better place in her own way. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂತಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನೀ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿರು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. Myself Nagaratna Lingraj from Bangalore. I am a proud mother of 2 children of whom with me today she is a ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂತಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನೀ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿರು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. Good evening ladies and gentlemen and member of the juries. I am Nagaratna from Bengaluru. I am a proud mother of 2 children of whom is 17 years old. What even exciting is she is with me today and she is participating Miss Category on this stage. I take a pride of a fashion designer and running my own boutique from past 15 years. Also, I am a runner and running a good cause is my fashion. Thank you, Subha Sanjay.
Ellarigu Namaskara. Good evening, Bangalore. I consider it a moment of happiness and precious lifetime memory to be here today. I am Soumya Anil from the land of ultimate beauty and rich cultural heritage, Karnataka. I live in Bengaluru with my very supportive husband and 2 beautiful kids. I am an entrepreneur by profession. I love fashion. That is why I own my designer boutique. I also had educational institution. Driven by my dreams, I consider that positive actions combined with positive thought result in success. Thank you everyone. Love you all.